Here we have Cucumber Quench. It is a gel moisturizer with cucumber and xylitol. So cucumber, as we all know, is known for its hydrating and soothing properties, while xylitol is known for its moisture retaining properties. So it is a lightweight but hydrating moisturizer. It has this amazing cooling and calming effect and can be used especially when your skin feels oily. You can take a coin-sized amount and pat it into your skin. So you can see that while the skin feels hydrated, it also gives it a beautiful mattifying effect. You can use it in the morning and in the evening after cleansing your skin. And when you use it in the daytime, always remember to follow it up with a sunscreen. This product has been clinically tested and is suitable for all skin types.